Before diving deep into the study, let's get acquainted with a range of ChatGPT model issues we will learn to deal with during our lesson. ChatGPT can lie. As strange as it may sound, the language model does it well and quite convincingly. It can tell about non-existent people, their actions, and add them to the context of non-existent events so succinctly that you would never have thought it could be a lie. It doesn't always do this, but often, and that's why when working with precise information, such as historical events, facts, scientific data, we always recommend verifying them, despite the methods to combat this problem discussed later. ChatGPT may forget part of the conversation. The model has a limited amount of information it can remember. You may encounter this if, for example, you ask it to write a letter and ask several questions. On the fourth or fifth question, you may notice confusion in the words of your second pilot. It may forget a fact you discussed earlier or give an incorrect answer due to a lack of context. The general recommendation to avoid such situations is to send a summary of your dialogue as a prompt after 3-4 messages and continue. Although ChatGPT is a multilingual neural network, Model 3.5 is best at understanding English. When working with other languages, the text may be incorrectly translated or the context of the question analyzed text may be misinterpreted. For all purposes in which ChatGPT will encounter languages other than English, we recommend using Model 4. ChatGPT has a limited input information capacity. You won't be able to write an infinitely long request in the chat. Your second pilot simply won't be able to process it, and you'll receive an error notification. This is not a big problem at all. Today, we will teach you how to bypass these limitations for a comfortable work with the ChatGPT. Let's get started.